Hello and welcome back to the Caetek channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the many ways to create connections inside of E3 series. In the previous video I showed you guys how to place a component inside of E3. So in this video what I've done is I just placed down two more additional components. So to get to it, if I hit C, C is my hotkey for connection. If I go over a symbol that has been created and it has a connection node on it, you can see that it'll automatically highlight gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on pin 2 and drag it over here to CB3 and left click on pin 1. Now what this does is this creates a signal line. Now this is not a cable, this is not a wire, this is just a connection between these two breakers. You can see if I scroll over it, it creates a brand new signal of signal number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect 4 to 3 also and 6 to 5. Now you can see I have signals 1, signal 2, and signal 3 that automatically generated. So I'm going to select these and just hit my delete key, and I'm going to come up here to insert, auto connect, and inside area horizontal. Now what this does is this allows for a multi-connection on the horizontal axis. So if I select these two breakers right here, it'll automatically connect up these three and create 3 new signal lines, 4, 5, and 6. And once again I'm going to select these and delete them. And I'm going to come back into insert, and there's a different one down here that's called multi-connection. Now what multi-connection does is pretty similar to the inside area, except for here I'm going to select just these first 3 pins. Now you can see it allows me to draw them wherever I want to. So I could come across and automatically connect these up with a multi-connection, which is now 3 more signals will be generated in 9, 8, and 7. You can see that it actually flips those and builds them from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to delete that. If I come back up to insert, there's one that's called curve connection, and it has a hotkey of B. So if I come into here, if I hit B, this is now my, I guess you could say, a bendy connection. So I could come here, you can see I can actually curve my connection and connect it up any which way I want to. And those are some of the ways that you can create connection lines inside of E3 series.